Good evening and welcome to room 51.
This is my butler. This is room 51. This is my crib. Our crib.
You've got your big screen TV.
Oh yeah,
It's huge.
big screen and Jersey Shore, only the classiest.
The best show around right now. If you're sitting on that bed, it's a really good view because it's really far away, obviously. You walk this way, Maddie's there, Lacey's here, Michael's there, Maria's here. We've got our little picnic lunch going on here. Some high quality mozzarella cheese, Gouda cheese.
It's been refrigerated all day, of course.
Yeah, it hasn't been sitting. This is where we're staying right now. Currently the best place around. What's that in the middle?
That's the fountain in the hotel courtyard.
It's kind of fancy. We'll show you later. But the picture just does more than the actual fountain. Baguettes if you're hungry. Oh, by the way, this is our Aussie Maddie, the butler. Yeah. So Victoria and Crystal, you guys might have met him when you were in Australia. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe not. Oh, we also have a built-in radio.
Does it have any stations?
It's kind of fancy.
It literally says radio on it.
Something's not right.
No stations
not
at this
working.
hour.
An hour ago, Celine Dion was on. But
Brian Adams.
Oh, Brian Adams.
yeah, only the greatest. Only the greatest. So if you walk this way, we'll work on the radio in a bit. If you walk this way, it's our $1.40 bottle of wine in our 5-cent cups.
Hygiene
Cheers.
cups.
Hygiene.
We're being too loud. There's Mikey.
Noise control. Noise control.
The guy next door is like,
Complaining? That's okay. Back to the wine. And then if you go this way, this is the bathroom. Obviously, you need to keep yourself looking good. So we have a really fancy hair dryer. I'm pretty sure it's a hook. It works.
It's really warm.
It's really warm, so you can probably use it to heat up, not just float our hair. Up here, what was up here?
so I've already taken
Soap.
the soaps.
He took all the soap because he needs soap. Makeup remover pads, always a good thing. These cups were here without wine in them.
Enjoy your life.
Wait, it's upside down.
No, is it?
Oh wait, I can't read. It's cool. I'm on it.
We are enjoying our life because can you see this room? Amazing.
Long view.
We're
I
building,
don't know what this is. I think it's a heater. It doesn't work.
building up to the
The
best
big,
part.
the alarm.
The shoe cleaning station.
Shoe cleaning.
And if you ever get stuck on the toilet, just ring the alarm like Beyonce says.
Ring the alarm.
There's no TV.
And this teepee. And then this is our shower.
It's about a one-person shower.
Yes.
It's kind of fancy,
But
Or
look
a
at
small bath.
yeah, or small bath. Here's our tile.
depending on how tall you are. So anyway, this was our crib in Faro, Portugal. Cheers!